Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to Caribbean Spice Haven, where flavor meets fun and every meal feels like a mini island getaway. Today I'm sharing the top 5 cross-contamination mistakes you'll want to avoid in your kitchen. Let's keep our meals safe, fresh, and absolutely delicious. Ready? Let's dive in. Mistake hash 1, using the same cutting board for everything. Picture this. You're chopping up juicy chicken, then grabbing that same board for your crisp veggies. Uh-oh, that's a recipe for cross-contamination. Instead, always use separate boards, one for raw meats, another for produce. I even like to color code mine so there's no mix-up. Mistake hash 2, not washing your hands between tasks. It's easy to forget, especially when you're in the groove. But those germs from handling raw seafood or meats can sneak onto your salad if you don't give your hands a good wash. So, when in doubt, soap, water, and a quick scrub for at least 20 seconds before moving on. Mistake hash 3, reusing marinades. Pouring leftover marinade from raw meat onto your cooked food? Yikes. That's a surefire way to invite unwanted bacteria to your plate. If you want to baste or drizzle after cooking, set aside some fresh marinade before the raw stuff touches it. Mistake hash 4, storing raw foods above ready-to-eat foods. I see this one all the time. Raw chicken on the top shelf, ready-to-eat fruit just below. If anything drips, it's trouble. Keep raw meats and seafood on the bottom shelf, safely contained, to protect your ready-to-eat goodies from any accidents. Mistake hash 5, using the same towel everywhere. That kitchen towel you just used to dry your hands, don't let it touch clean dishes or wipe your counter. Bacteria can hitch a ride and spread fast. I keep a couple of towels handy, one for hands, one for dishes, and swap them out often. There you have it. 5 simple ways to keep cross-contamination out of your kitchen and flavor at the heart of every meal. Remember, a safe kitchen is a happy kitchen. Taste the islands, feel the spirit. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more spicy tips and island-inspired recipes. See you next time.